Hello and welcome, this is Gilly Cube. I'm not sure where I'm going to go with this one, so I just want you to literally go with the flow, come along with me. It sounds a horrible colour combination, but I've had it in my head. A few things I want to do with it that I will explain as I go along. This was the green deep. I added some black because I wanted it to go really bottle green. Then I added some metallic silver to give it shimmer. So this is going to be my base coat, believe it or not, on this particular piece. So it's just, I'm going to try and keep it simplistic. I've poured it on and spread it out nicely. It might not be anybody's cup of tea, but everybody's cup of tea, anybody's cup of tea. Anybody, whatever. But I just had this in my brain. I've seen a really nice piece of art in a show home that I was looking through, and it had this base colour on it, and it just actually looks stunning with golds and silver in it. But I've got another little idea that this might forward this piece to something even more special. I'm not going to worry too much about the edges at this point in time. I can always paint them the solid green after around the edges, but I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it yet. Like I said, I really am not determined how I'm going to go about this just yet, but we will try. I'm going to literally, now this is the unbleached titanium. So I'm going to just puddle pour this. This is the silver, metallic silver. I'm going to put in some of my champagne gold, which is 50% metallic gold, 50% silver. I want a dark colour on that to blow that out. So what have I got? Not sure if this is a really black or blue black. Ah, no, I didn't want that. Oh, what have I done? What have I done? Oh my goodness. I'm losing it. That's okay. I'll fix it up. I think this is black. Let me try it. This is black. Might be a happy accident, mightn't it? It might be meant to be. Now I was going to blow it out with my blow dryer. Should I still do that? Let me try one just blowing it with this. I think something's been at the end of my bendy straw. I think I'll continue with my bendy straw. Probably should have used a real bright gold in this to show up against this, but it is what it is. Oh my goodness. Let's do some. Here's my skewer thing. Actually, that little bit of blue in there don't look so bad after all. So there you go, happy accident. I've got a bit more of a plan for this when it dries, but of course that will be next stage. That's really, that is really nice. Bring you down. I'm going to try and get rid of this blue out of there, which a little bit of kiss will get rid of it. I'm going to do a little bit of the blue and kiss in the center, so it really makes my center have a botanical flower-like look, and it really makes a difference. Oh, that's beautiful. Do you know what? That is absolutely perfect, just the way it is. Isn't that a line from the Bridget Jones's movie? That is beautiful. I am just going to, believe it or not, I'm going to dip this brush into some of the bleached titanium. I want to give it some flicks in the metallic green that I've made, just to make it look like, I've got dog hair on my finger. Just to give it a bit of other interest in there. Give it a flick. Oh, I'm going to bring you down to look at this. Super happy with this. Oh my goodness. I am having such a good time in my art room of late. I just absolutely loving it. And then I will go around the edges of that green just with a little sponge brush. But let me bring you down. Oh, can't quite get the colour of this green in the camera. It is really shimmering, and it's, yeah, it is gorgeous. I love doing the flicks. It gives it a little bit of contrast there, it gives it a little bit of a 3D. Look at the blue that I did add there. I know it was a weird one with the other colours, but it actually turned out, definitely in my perspective, a happy accident. And just giving the little balloon kiss in the center of the blooms. Just look at the absolutely sensational, like, coral effect in there. How good is that? Look at that. And it is just shimmering. I think this piece will deserve a resin coat, and it will really sparkle. I could not be happier with that. I really hope you enjoyed that and give it a go. And I'm hoping that I'll find you all well and good. Remember, if you're sad, lonely or depressed, please ring a family member or a friend, or if that isn't available to you, a helpline. I will be here again soon. Please follow along with me. Bye for now. Rainy all day here in Queensland, but here's the finished piece, all dry, and it looks gorgeous. See, it's also got a sheen on it, and I haven't yet varnished it or anything. One thing I did have, if you can see there, look, a fly must have walked through it during the time it was wet, but you know, it's added to its uniqueness. I mean, fly doing a Michael Jackson moonwalk through it, you know. But super happy with that. It dried lovely, can't complain. That sort of deep bottle green is actually, I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up, but it's very nice. So happy with that one. Enjoying this cool rain. The problem is
just like the wind.